This is Southwest 212. Mr. Jurdy coming to you with some more math. Let's do some math. Okay, let's read this problem and see if we can get it figured out. Your cell phone provider offers two plans. Plan A has a monthly fee of $15 for unlimited talk and text and 2 gigs, $2 per gigabyte of data. Plan B has a monthly fee of $20 for unlimited talk and text and $1.50 per gigabyte of data. Write and solve an equation to find the number of gigs of data that you must use to have the same cost for each of the plans. Okay, I'm going to write down Plan A. Plan A looks like it's 15 plus $2 for each gigabyte. So I'm writing 15 plus 2G. Plan B is 20 bucks. It's a little bit more expensive per month, but it's a little bit cheaper for gigs of data. It's $1.50 per gigabyte. I want to know when the phones are going to have the same cost. I want to know when those plans will be equal. So I'm going to take these two pieces, set them equal, and solve for that number of gigabytes. So I'll have Plan A, which is 15 plus 2G. I'm going to set that equal to the Plan B, 20 plus 1.5G. Okay, let's get this solved. Let's get the G's onto one side. I'm going to subtract the 1.5 G's from both sides. That'll leave me with 15 on the left plus 0.5 G. And that'll equal 20. We canceled out the G's on the right side. All right, got to get rid of the 15. So subtracting 15 on both sides, I get 0.5 G equals, looks like 5. Now I just need to divide both sides by 0.5. Dividing by 0.5. G equals 10. Not done. I'm actually going to answer the question. It says, solve an equation to find the number of gigabytes of data that you must use. So I'm going to start writing here. Oops. You will pay the same amount when you use 10 gigabytes of data. Southwest 212, over and out.